Hello, this is Evan. So here I would like to introduce about the AI everywhere. So QCT realized the use cases from the enterprise cloud and enterprise edge. Enterprise edge, you can see that we use the CPU-only computing resource and our QCT 1U and 2U general purpose server to realize the low latency and the real-time AI inference. And here you can see that we leverage some Intel technologies to accelerate the AI inference. As for the enterprise cloud, you can see QCT have the AI server, which support the Intel Xeon 6 CPU and the Intel Gaudi 3 accelerator. And we also integrate the open platform for enterprise AI to build up the composable and microservice-based environment to accelerate the generative AI applications. And here you can see that QCT also provide the comprehensive hardware portfolio for the generative AI application. You can see this rack. And for this slide, here is the comprehensive solutions for the generative AI applications. You can see the infrastructure layer that QCT provide the comprehensive hardware portfolio for their user choices. And you can see those hardware are also support the Intel Xeon 6 and the Intel Gaudi 3. And for the development tools, you can see QCT and Intel will also support the model framework, the compiler runtime, and the user workspace. As for the platform layer, you can see we integrate the open platform for the enterprise AI. As for the edge, we also have the inference optimizer. So you can see with the comprehensive infrastructure, we can support the upper layer applications. So at the edge AI, we realize the real-time object detection, also the stable diffusion implanting. So here's the camera. It collects the image. So here you can see, and we could cut the selected area and input the prompt to change the color of his hair. And we also have integrate the OpenVINO, the inference optimizer. So after we choose the model, we could start the generating. And here's the result. So you can see we compare 3 different generations of Intel CPU. And we also see his hair color is changing. And we also see the different generation, their inference time have the big difference. Okay, so at the data center, QCT leveraged the open platform for enterprise AI to build up the composable microservice-based environment. You can see here, there's a different microservice. And you can see we use the CPU-only resource to realize the chatbot. Also, you can see that we ask the chatbot the same question, but first time they might answer the wrong. So we also integrate the knowledge base, which is the RAG, to fine-tune the answer. So for the second time, this chatbot answered the precise and the correct answers. Okay, so to sum up, QCT not only provide the comprehensive hardware portfolio, but we will also integrate the development tools, and we have the strong ecosystem to realize your generative AI applications.